Ready to trade Main Street crowds for splashes and thrills? Come chill with us at Blizzard Beach, Disney's snow-covered water park where the only thing melting is your stress. From racing down Summit Plummet to floating through the lazy river, we're showing off the coolest spots you have to see. Whether you're planning your next trip or just dreaming of sunny skies, this frosty paradise has surprises around every turn. Don't miss the highlights. Starting in 2025, Disney has added a splash of extra magic to your arrival day. Guests staying at a Disney resort can now enjoy complimentary admission to a water park on their check-in day. That means you can kick off your vacation with a relaxing float or thrilling slide before you even unpack your bags. And if you're doing a split stay between two Disney resorts, you get to enjoy this perk twice, once on each check-in day. It's the perfect way to make the most of your time without using a theme park ticket. If you're a Disney guest heading to one of the water parks, good news! Towels are complimentary, so no need to pack your own. Plus, locker rentals are available in 2 sizes, giving you a secure spot to stash your belongings while you splash and slide. It's a super convenient way to keep your hands free and your items safe, especially if you're planning to hit the big attractions or just want to travel light. Just scan your Magic Band or ticket at the kiosk and you're good to go. Blizzard Beach is packed with attractions for every kind of water lover, from little splashers to thrill seekers. Here's a rundown of what you can expect when you dive into this snow-themed water park. Tyke's Peak is a pint-sized water playland designed especially for little ones under 48 inches tall. With kid-friendly slides, fountains, and splash zones, it's a perfect place for toddlers and young kids to cool off and have fun in a safe environment. Meltaway Bay is the park's wave pool, a relaxing spot with gentle waves and plenty of seating all around. Whether you want to float in the surf or lounge on the shore, this area is a favorite for families looking to unwind. Cross Country Creek offers the ultimate lazy river experience. Hop in a tube and float your way around the entire park, drifting through ice caves and under waterfalls. It's a great way to relax or travel between different areas. Ski Patrol Training Camp is an interactive play zone geared towards tweens and adventurous kids. It features smaller slides, rope bridges, and floating icebergs for a fun challenge outside of big thrill rides. Summit Plummet is the signature attraction for thrill seekers. This near-vertical free-fall body slide is one of the tallest and fastest in the world. Guests must be 48 inches or taller and very brave. Slush Gusher is another high-speed body slide that's 90 feet tall. While not quite as intense as Summit Plummet, it still offers a fast and thrilling ride with some airtime for those 48 inches up. The chairlift makes getting to the top of Mount Gusher a breeze. Guests 32 inches and taller can ride this scenic lift to reach the main slides, saving energy and giving you a great view of the park. Downhill Double Dipper adds a competitive twist as you race someone else down twin enclosed tube slides. With a 48-inch height requirement, it's fast, fun, and over in a flash. Perfect for thrill seekers. Toboggan Racers brings out the competitive side in each of us. Grab a mat and race your family or friends down side-by-side lanes to see who reaches the bottom first. Springs is perfect for groups as up to 6 people can ride together in a giant raft. Expect twists, turns, and splashes as you wind down this family-friendly water adventure. Snowstormers are twisting mat slides that send you zigzagging down the mountain like a slalom skier. It's a fun, slightly more relaxed option compared to the intense thrill rides. Runoff Rapids offer variety with 3 different tube slides, each providing a unique ride. You can go solo or double up with another rider as you splash your way down. Blizzard Beach offers attractions for everyone. There's something for every age and every thrill level. Blizzard Beach makes it easy to chill out or crank up the excitement all over in one snow-covered paradise. To take a break from the slides and soak up some flavor, Blizzard Beach offers several dining and snack spots to keep everyone fueled and refreshed. Lotta Wada Lodge is the main dining location in the park and your go-to spot for hearty meals. Here you'll find burgers, flatbreads, and kid-friendly option favorites, all served in a cozy, ski-themed setting with plenty of covered seating. The Cooling Hut is great for a quick bite or snacks on the go. Frostbite Freddy's is a place for sweet treats and salty snacks. Arctic Expeditions is a full-service bar offering adult beverages to help you chill out in the Florida heat. Lava Lunch features hot dogs, chips, and salads. Icy Expeditions is a must-visit for dessert lovers. It's home to the famous Sand Pail ice cream sundae, a huge treat in a sand bucket and covered with delicious toppings. The Warming Hut offers a more savory selection, including sandwiches, turkey legs, and salads. And Polar Pub is another adult beverage location where you can grab a cold beer or a mixed drink. Whether you're looking for a full meal, a frozen treat, or just something to sip while you're floating, Blizzard Beach has a variety of tasty options to satisfy. Blizzard Beach has a couple of convenient spots to grab souvenirs, essentials, and fun-themed gear during your visit. The Beach House is the main merchandise location and has everything you'd expect from a Disney water park shop. From beachwear and swim essentials to towels, sunscreen, and snow-themed souvenirs, it's the perfect place to grab something you forgot or something you just can't leave without. You'll also find Blizzard Beach branded merch like shirts, hats, and tumblers to remember your day of frosty fun. Sand Breakers is a small stand focused mainly on footwear. If you need water shoes, flip-flops, or just a quick replacement for something that didn't survive the wave pool, this is your go-to shop. Whether you're shopping for vacation necessities or little something to remember your visit by, these stands have you covered, literally and figuratively. Blizzard Beach is the perfect mix of relaxation and adventure, offering something for every member of the family. Whether you're racing down high-speed slides, floating through the lazy river, or just soaking up the sun with a treat in hand, there's no shortage of ways to make a splash. With convenient dining options, fun shopping spots, this snow-covered water park delivers cool fun all day long. It's the ultimate way to chill out during your Disney vacation.
I'm Joni, and it's been a pleasure having you with us. The best way to support our channel is by hitting that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, we hope our videos help you create magical memories of your own.